Now, there's been some news recently that our dear President Donald Trump claimed that the Japanese test the strength and fit and finish of their cars by dropping bowling balls on the hood from 20 feet. The quote claims. The quote claims. Um, Now, at like at first glance, that statement seems utterly ridiculous. But I realized that I have a Japanese car, and I figured I'd test it for myself. And unfortunately, I don't have a bowling ball. I have this Nerf football, but I figure if I throw it hard enough, it'll be just about the same. So let's give it a shot. Now, as you can see, Honda Pilot passed the bowling ball test with flying colors, not only proving that, Honda is the best at everything, but also that President Trump is the best at everything. And that's something you can really count on, no matter what.